Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to code. Okay. So first of all, you want to go to Google, search code. You will choose this one, this first one right here. You can see over here one. Choose that one. You can start learning. You can do basically whatever you want here. But the most important thing to start is activities. You will choose the grade you're in. I'm in grade 6 today. And you can choose whichever game you want. So don't drop it. No, I don't know. Tracy the Turtle. I don't know. Moana. Crossy Road on iPad, iPhone. I think I'm gonna do Minecraft. You can read all of this and stuff. I don't know, you can choose any of these. You can watch the videos, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna do Fusion. There you would watch the video or no video. Okay, you can see no video, show notes. Let me see. If you could come in with me, I want to show you what see, and then it talks to you. Oh my, here's where I'm living down near the offices. Okay, and you can read or you can watch the video. Okay. When you're done, then you choose the character Alex, which is a girl, female, or see this one. The door is locked, but the agent is here to help. Snap to move forward. Okay. Okay. So basically, it's the move forward button, and then you have to do it at 1. Oh, okay, so you're this guy. It's 1, 2, 3. Then over here, down here. And then you. Yay. Test the first room. Show code, and then it shows you the code. And then continue. Okay, so now we have to get the map. So where this guy moved forward twice. 2 times. So you repeat 2 times, snap it, move forward. And then run. Then now that we're this, oh wait, but now we have to move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 times. 7. Move forward. So let's see if that works. Oh no, no. Okay, so let's unsnap that, erase that. There's one, unsnap it. And reset and run. Obviously, you know that won't work. Okay, so we have to erase that. I know what we do. We're gonna take away this part, and then we're just gonna control Alex using this down here. Oh, okay, so now you can do this, and now I know what to do. Okay, now first you turn left, which is no, okay, that'll be right. No, that would be left. I'm sorry. Yeah, left. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, move forward 4 times. And we're going to turn left again. Now we're going to turn right then. Right. And then we're going to move forward 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Let's try that. And then we'll move forward. Get it? Move forward. Run. Oh, you see what I did there? No, I see what I did there. So now, and then, yay, we completed it. And you can show code, okay, and then continue. And then, yes, so you see, it repeats.
I wonder what Stacy is up to.
And then you can show notes. So I think I'm in the right place. This is amazing. Really quick. So it's a repeat. So basically, just showed you how to repeat. So yeah, and yeah, you can work from there. Or you can go back and choose a different game, and it'll tell you what to do. So yeah, that's our code. Bye.